Hi, welcome to my channel, Crate with Steve I. Today we are going to open some Happy Mail. So today we are going to be opening some Happy Mail. Over the last couple months I ordered these and they got in, and I just haven't had the chance to actually open them and share them. So here we are today. So the first one I'm going to do is from Perky's Paperie. It is her what do you call it, subscription. The envelope came and it was open, and so there was supposed to be a little notebook with this. It looked like a passport, but it was actually a little notebook, which would have been cool, but it wasn't with this because the package was open. But thankfully the stickers were here, and I decided not to contact Brandy to let her know about it because it's okay. I don't really need to have the little notebook, so it's really not that big of a deal to me. The stickers were the most important thing to me. If those would have been gone too, I would have contacted her. But so I have not opened these yet to look at them, but let's look at them together. Okay, so that's upside down. So it says, to live an adventurous life, you just need to get out there. And there's a little packing list on the back of this card, journaling card. So this is obviously a traveling theme. I really like this. This is her subscription for March. Some fun elements, like scenes of different places that are popular to go. I love these arrows. I really love this, all the stamps and stuff. I think they're really, really cool. And here's a couple that you can write on because they are blank. And then there are traveling quotes, places to go, adventure, life is too short not to travel, live your life by a compass, not a clock, life begins at the end of your comfort zone, let's go see, do, from here to there, travel more, my travel bucket list, take off, time to go, and wherever you go, go with all your heart. And then there is this terrible washi with a old school map theme, so you can rip pieces off of it and put it in your thing. So this is her subscription. Excuse me. I have now canceled. This will be the last one that I get. I'm planning on saving to get a printer, and I'm going to start making my own stickers because it's so much cheaper, and then I'll get exactly what I want. But this is a really fun pack, and I knew I wanted to do this, so I'm glad I got it as my last one. So hopefully I will be able to use this soon and do that. I will link Brandy's shop below and her subscription page so that you can, if you'd like to join her subscription. It always usually comes with a fun item. The fun item for this past one was the why can't I think? The notebook that disappeared, sadly. Okay, so I've got a couple different things here. This looks like the PR pack. So I've got an order that I made from Blissful Jayde Designs, and then I've got 2 PR packs. I ordered this at the end of February, and some health issues came up for her, and she wasn't able to fulfill it and get me my March PR pack until the end of March. And so I got March and April together with the order that I placed. So we are going to look at all of it and go through it. So this looks like it is some freebies. She generally throws in some freebies when you place an order. So let's look and see what fun things she added. So there's this die cut. It's got I don't know if you can see that, it's got some glittery on it. Looks like a tea shop. And some cute little icons. I love these. This is nice. She always throws in a freebie that kind of looks like this. Here's another one. Daisies. That is a daisy, right? And then this one, oh, this is nice. It says March on it. This is nice. All these functional words, or words and stuff, sayings. Yay, it's Friday. All that kind of fun stuff. This has the days of the week. That's a cool one. I like that a lot. And then here's another one. These are also freebies. That's really nice. And this is pretty as well. And this is one of the PR people's freebies. Bethany Plans, it looks like. I like that. It's a nice one. The coffee themed. Sorry, I had that up a little far. And then this one is called Night In. I really like it. I like the blue and kind of tan kind of theme. It looked a little more yellow on the website, so I like this much better because this looks much nicer. I really like it. It's really beautiful. And then your flowers. And then your kind of like ripped pages and washi. Well, I guess not washi, but strip stickers. And then I ordered this cat's because I love cats, and so I ordered the kitty one. So those are the things I ordered. Let's look at the PR package. And I'm gonna link all of this stuff below in case you want to order some for yourself. So she gave me Georgia Mama Plans freebie, and I got another one of my freebies. So I am a I'm a affiliate with Blissful Jayde Designs. So if you put in Steve15, you get 15% off and get this freebie. So this is the one that I picked for my April PR package. I just love this. It's beautiful. I'm generally not an orange person, but I just thought that these had some really great things in it. I love this doorway. I love the cat. I love these bottles. I love this house, or this building. I love this lantern. It's called Wildflowers. This is one of her new kits. It's beautiful. And this is the terrible washi that you can tear and add things. And then this is another kit. This is my March PR package, which is the lilac bouquet. I just love this purple. It's so pretty. Love this. It's great colors. You know, it's funny because it's hard to tell what it's actually going to look like when it's actually printed out, but it's so beautiful in person. So beautiful. The flowers are incredibly beautiful. This is pretty. And then some backing to rip up. So I can't wait to use these. So thank you for watching this. I hope you enjoyed it. I will link all of this stuff below so that you can choose some of it your own self if you want. You can get it. You can't get this subscription because once the subscription, once the people pay for the subscription that they want, she ends it. Like, she only prints and makes as many as she needs for the subscription, and then it's gone. So this one is gone, but I will link her subscription page in case you decide you would like to join her subscription. She's got some really great stickers. And of course, I will link Blissful Jayde Designs down below. And don't forget, you get 15% off with Steve15, and you can get this, my freebie. So thank you so much for watching this. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Bye.